Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to professionally customize Windows 11 Start menu so that only the apps you use frequently appear. This will save you a lot of time. The first step to a cleaner look is minimizing the recommended section, which is often cluttered with files you don't need. To do this, press Windows I on your keyboard to open Settings. From there, go to Personalization, then select Start. Under the Layout section, choose More Pins. This expands the space for your pinned apps. Next, toggle off all the options on this page to hide everything except your pinned applications. Next, let's remove what we don't use. Right-click on any app you don't need and select Unpin from Start. This keeps your workspace clean and relevant. Now, let's add the apps you actually need. Click on All Apps to see everything installed on your computer. Simply right-click on any app and select Pin to Start. Once you're done adding your apps, head back to the main Start menu and you'll see them all lined up. The final touch is organization. You can easily rearrange icons using drag and drop to put them exactly where you want. You can also group similar apps together by dragging one icon over another. This creates a new folder. You can then open the folder and rename it. To add more apps to the same folder, just drag and drop them right in. Once you're finished, you'll see that your Start menu is neatly organized and grouped this way, keeping all your important files and programs in one place. If you found this video helpful, please support us by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.